Hi. With this movie we will show you how to create paging from a database page query using Bootstrap 3 Dynamic Paging Generator 2. We created a server action and added a database page query in it. You already know how to create a page query from our previous tutorials, so we won't show this again. Open App Connect panel. We've set up a Server Connect component here, using our server action with the page query as a source. We also created dynamic table from it. Note that you can create any kind of repeat or repeat children region. The table is just an example. We'd like to keep the current page when the page is refreshed. Click the Add New Component button in order to create a query parameter. Note that this is only available if you have the App Connect State Management extension installed. Otherwise, the current page won't be kept on refresh. In the State Management menu, select Query Manager and define the query parameter. Add a new variable and call it offset. Click the Save button when you are done. Now, select your Server Connect component and click the Dynamic Data Picker button in order to select the offset value. Under Query Manager, Data, select the offset parameter, which we just created. Then, we set a limit, or how many records to be displayed per page. We enter 15. Now, click on your page, where you'd like to insert the paging, and click the Add New Component button. Under Bootstrap 3 menu, select Paging Generator. Select Page Server Action as a source, and click the Dynamic Data Picker to select your page database query. Under the Server Action component, Data, select your page query. Then, set up the paging options, like paging size, separator, and number of outer and adjacent links. Select whether to show or hide previous, next, first, and last buttons, and set up their labels. Then, as we want to keep the current paging state, even on page refresh, we enable the State Management option. Then, select your State Manager instance, and the query parameter, which we created earlier. Click OK, in order to insert the paging. And we are done. Let's preview the results. You can change the current page, and then hit the Reload button of your browser. As the paging offset is being kept in a query parameter, the current page is not lost on refresh. That's how easy it is to create paging from a database page query using Bootstrap 3 Dynamic Paging Generator 2.